6 unique features of the GO 650 Studio. 1. It is an all-in-one kit that comes with a dual monitor, streaming encoder, USB recorder, and video switcher, making it a 4-in-1 portable solution. Non-computer platform, fast boot up, and it takes only one power button to start your program production. 2. The luggage design with wheels. The case is sturdy, durable, and provides easy mobility. 3. By just pressing one button, you can quickly recall the user memory of your favorite settings. 4. 1+1 dual keyer for virtual applications with the keying effect, matching the broadcast production quality. It also comes with built-in virtual sets to meet all your requirements. 5. 9 built-in stinger transitions for use in various productions, such as sports, news broadcast, and vlogs. 6. 4-channel audio mixer allowing independent or mixed adjustment of external analog audio and digital audio. For more information on the GO Studio series, please visit our website.